Hello, I'm Hitesh and I'm a regular user like all of you. And recently I dug deep to understand Super Top Up. So, in this video, I will quickly share my learnings on Super Top Up. What is it all about? Whether we should buy Super Top Up or upgrade the policy? What is the right cover combination? And also, what is the right time to buy it? Essentially, simple भाषा में अगर बात करें तो Super Top Up is like a power bank. Super Top Up comes into action when your base cover is exhausted to ensure that you have adequate cover. Example लेते हैं, let's say you have 10 lakh cover and it may seem like a big cover, right? But you are worried that if hospital bills keep rising the way they are today, this may not be enough by the time you say hit 40 or 45. So in this scenario, you have the option to either upgrade your existing cover or buy an extension called a super top up plan. This plan will add an extension from 10 lakh, essentially making your cover of 1 crore. Technically, this plan is called a super top up cover of 1 crore with 10 lakh deductible. A deductible, if you'll ask, it's the amount over which the extension works in a year. Now you might ask, why complicate this, right? Why not simply upgrade instead of buying one more policy? The reason is simple. Most of the times, a combo of a base plan and a super top-up turns out to be 10 to 20% cheaper. Super top-ups cost less than a regular health insurance plan because they only cover hospital bills beyond a number, while comprehensive base plan pay from the first rupee. Since the chance of claims crossing a big number are lower, the insurance risk is limited. Now let's quickly understand when to upgrade and when to buy a super top up. Ideally, one should upgrade the same plan. It's easier to manage one policy for renewals and claims, especially cashless process, which everybody wants. But there may be a significant cost advantage, as I told you earlier, when you do a combo. Explore this and then trade off between both options. Now, let's do cost comparison between upgrades and super top up within the same insurance company. So before you upgrade, always check if the same insurance company is offering super top up at a cheaper rate or not. And if you are opting for a super top up, here are some important tips. First, try buying super top up from the same insurance. Why am I saying that? Basically, see, if you buy from two companies, you'll have to submit documents twice, follow two separate claim processes, then track them individually. It's a hell lot of complications, right? मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा hassle हो जाएगा. It's like car loan from two different banks. Unnecessarily complicated stuff. Second, buy super top up in the same month as your base plan. If the coverage date of your base plan and the super top up plans don't overlap, the claims may not align and hence may not get paid. For example, if you have a base plan of 10 lakhs, which is let's say from Jan to December of 2025, and say you have a super top up cover over this 10 lakh till 1 crore, and the cover date is from 1st April 2025 to 31st March 2026. Now say there are two hospitalizations, one in Jan 2025 of 7 lakh rupees, ठीक है, and second one in June 2025 of say 6 lakh rupees. Now total it is around 13 lakhs. We have taken the super top up, so it should get paid. But for the super top up plan, since the claims between April to March are only 6 lakhs, the super top up won't pay anything. The customer may have a 1 crore cover, but still won't get paid over 7 lakhs. Only when the base plan and the super top up are from Jan to December, then this problem would not arise. Third, super top up may have stricter conditions, even if it's from the same insurance company. Let me explain you through an example, because I've told earlier that if you should buy it from the same insurance company, right? So let's take an example. Your base policy covers a single private AC room, but your super top up only allows a shared room. Now, if you choose a private room during hospitalization, the super top up may cut down your claim payout. Fourth, ensure your base plan has significant coverage, at least of 10 lakhs, and then above it, there should be a super top up. This will ensure you are able to manage maximum claims in one policy and use your super top up only in case of rare major hospitalizations. So I hope this video would have really helped you guys to understand the concept of super top up. And yes, when to have a super top up and when to upgrade the policy. Till then, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you ASAP.